trouble. This one's not going now. It totally quit going. They're getting jammed. Really jammed. This better go over there. These ones are knocking it out, kind of. Those big ones. Hey. I heard one getting dead. I heard one starting to stop the motor going. Yeah, the green one and the red battled. Wait, this has light green eyes and that one has dark green eyes. See? And I think this one has dark green. Oh, maybe yellow. Yeah, all the lights seem a little bit different colors. What the heck? The red one's not going now. Now, when the green one works, then this one doesn't. Uh-oh. Broke.